Have you ever considered transforming your living space into a responsive, intelligent environment? With a few beginner-friendly smart devices, you can turn your home into a hub of convenience and automation that simplifies your daily routines. Let's explore 3 essential devices that are not just easy to set up, but also powerful in enhancing your lifestyle. First on our list is the Smart Plug. This unassuming device offers incredible functionality at an affordable price. Imagine being able to control electric appliances from the comfort of your phone. Whether you want to brew that essential morning coffee or turn off a lamp without getting up. Simply plug it into any outlet, connect it to your smartphone, and voila! You're now in charge of any device connected to it. Pair it with voice control for an effortless experience. Just say the command and watch as your coffee maker springs to life, or your favorite lamp lights up with a warm glow after a long day. It's simplicity and effectiveness packed into one small gadget. Next, let's illuminate your rooms with a smart light bulb. These are not your regular light bulbs. They're energy-efficient marvels that allow you to adjust brightness, schedule timings, and even change the color of your light at a tap of your finger. Imagine hosting a dinner party with the perfect ambient lighting, all adjusted through your smartphone. Want a soothing blue in the evening or a bright white to kickstart your day? The smart light bulb lets you switch moods effortlessly, creating a more personalized atmosphere at home. Plus, it will reduce your energy bills as you can turn the lights on and off remotely, ensuring you never leave a light burning. Finally, we can't overlook the convenience of a smart speaker, like Alexa or Google Nest. This device serves as the brain of your smart home. It connects seamlessly with other devices, allowing you to execute voice commands to control everything from your smart plugs to your lighting. The speaker can play music, set reminders, and even provide you with a daily briefing of your schedule. With the ability to establish routines, you can program your devices to operate in harmony. So when you say good morning, the coffee brews, the lights brighten, and your preferred news channel plays. The magic of automation opens the door to a smarter, more efficient lifestyle. Ready to step into the future of home automation? Start with these 3 essential devices and watch as your home transforms into a smart sanctuary. If you need assistance in setting up your new gadgets, look no further than experts who can guide you through the process. Contact your local home automation service today and embrace the smart living experience. Don't forget to stay updated with the latest in technology. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on making your life easier and more enjoyable.